So as in the last video we have looked about an active voice in present tense. Now we will just go to the past tense. If you would like to watch part 1, the link is in the description. For part 2, how to change past tense into passive voice. So that's what we are going to learn. Now let us take the example. He wrote. Now this is the example you are seeing here. He wrote. Now how to change it into passive voice? Now in order to change it into passive voice, we need to add the object. Let us add exam. So exam is the object for all these things. EXAM. Exam. He wrote exam. So object will become subject in passive voice. Now exam is or was. Here wrote is in V2, that is past tense. If the verb is in V2, that is in past tense, we should use was. Exam was. And always in passive voice, we have already learnt the rule. We need to use V3. So V3 of wrote, write, wrote, written. Exam was written by whom? By he. He becomes him. By him. Exam was written by him. So he wrote exam is an active voice in past tense, will become exam was written by him in passive voice. Now we will see the past continuous tense. He was writing exam. So bring exam to front. Okay, this we are bringing here in the front. And exam was. It is already there. Okay, same thing will come here. Exam was. And take this ing separately, writing, and bring here by adding be plus ing, being. Exam was being. And write will become V3. That will go exam was being written. Written by him. By him. So exam was written by him. This is how past continuous tense will be transformed to exam was being written by him, okay, as a passive voice. Okay, let us see another tense, that is past perfect tense. He had written exam. Bring the object to as subject, exam. Had, bring as it is here, exam had. Here, to change past perfect tense or present perfect tense, we must use been. Remember this, for all perfect tenses in past and present, we must use been. Exam had been. Already it is in V3, you don't need to change. It is justifying the rule of V3. So here exam had been written. Written by him. So he had written exam gets changed to exam had been written by him. Now we will see simple future. He will write exam. Again bring exam here. And will you bring as it is? Exam will. Bring be in future tense. Remember, you have to use be in passive voice. That is very important. Exam will be, and as usual V1 gets changed to V3, will be written by him. By him. So that is how we have to use all tenses into passive voices. So this is part 2 of active voice and passive voice. If you would like to watch part 1, how we have to change present tense, that is simple present tense, to present perfect continuous present perfect tense. Usually continuous tenses we don't change into passive voice. That's the reason why I am not able to explain continuous tenses, because it is usually grammar doesn't teach us. So this is active voice and passive voice.